How to buy Ton in Trust Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Ton in Trust Wallet. To buy Ton on Trust Wallet, first of all open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your wallet account. Once logged in, you will land on this main screen. From here, you will need to select the Buy button next to this Receive button. Once you tap on it, here inside you will be able to see the list of crypto available in Trust Wallet. From here, you will need to now select Ton coin or Ton. If it's not visible, you will need to tap on the search bar and there type in Ton. Once you search for it, you'll be able to get the search results here. Tap on this Ton. Once you do that, here now you will need to specify how much Ton you would like to purchase. You can also change the fiat currency by tapping on the flag icon at the top if necessary. And then from there you can select your preferred currency. After doing that, now here you will need to select your preferred payment method. Trust Wallet provides various payment providers like MoonPay, Simplex for transactions. You can select them by tapping on this Pay with Google Pay option at the bottom. And from here you can select the provider you prefer. Once after selecting it, after that you can simply tap on this Buy with Google Pay option at the very bottom. And then you will need to follow the prompts provided by the payment processor. You may also need to enter your email address and verify it via a code sent to your email. Enter your payment details including credit confirmation and billing address. After that, you can review the transaction details and confirm your purchase. Once after completing the payment, your purchased Ton will be credited to your Trust Wallet balance. You can go and check the balance on the main screen. So, by following these steps, you should be able to buy Ton on Trust Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.